do it right here. Okay. This thing is heavy. Take this out. Oh! That's fine. What I have here is some kind of a surprise, or maybe not because you already saw the thumbnail of this thing, but it is the... I don't know if you can see it. I'm sure you can. Oh wait, it's backwards, isn't it? Nakto. Item number NP0CB description F2. The Nakto F2 electric bike. And we're just gonna quickly unbox it right here. Yeah? Let's do it. Oh, this was surprisingly heavy. But let's get on with it, right? Yeah. Nakto was pretty much kind enough to share this bike, to send it out to me for me to test it out. There it is. A lot of fun. What? This thing is already assembled? It's already assembled, isn't it? I don't think I have the manpower to do this, but this thing weighs, I think it was 80 pounds? Okay, well, first off, let's go through this. This is the charger right here. Pedals. And user manual. More foam. Ooh, and there it is over there. There you go. I'm so out of shape. That's why I got the electric bike. It's a bike, you still be lazy. Yeah. It's very well packaged, by the way. And it's already assembled. Pretty cool. Of course, be careful what you cut. That's the screen. Well, I actually hope that this is actually charged up a bit, at least just a little bit. And oh, this is a beefy kind of kickstand. Right off the bat, this is like the only thing that you'd need to attach or assemble upon unboxing this electric bike, and the steps, the pedals. Check that out. I did it backwards. What a rookie move. Oh, please don't break. Oh, that's scary. And now lastly, pedals. They're actually metal. Isn't this supposed to be labeled as, there you go, left and right? So this is correct, this is left, right? Righty tighty, lefty, oh wait. Oh yeah, that does imply here. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, but this one's actually going left side. So, it's 1 and 2. There you go. Well, now there you have it, the Nakto F2. Ta-da! Excited. Let's ride this thing. You gotta make sure all of the adjustments are all right. Your height, your weight, 400 pounds. And I am 6'5". No, I'm just kidding. I'm 5'7". I'm 5'7", by reference, the seat is already comfortable enough. Even though it looks like, you know, a motorcycle where it's all elongated, longer of a seat, it's surprisingly comfortable. Not bad, Nakto. Good job. Adjust your handlebars to where you feel comfortable with, no matter how far or how short your arms are. Handlebars, check. Pedals, check. Another thing where a lot of people always miss is always check your tires, your tire pressure. These are fat tires. They are 20 inches by 4. Massive, pretty good. I mean, the threading is not that great, but it's good enough. PSI for this particular tire is around 25 to 30. So make sure that this has well enough air on it. Check. I had to get back home to charge the battery because it was totally empty when I got it, when I was unboxing it. Once you get the battery, there is a pull tab right here on the side. It's rubberized. Pretty much simple enough. While that's charging, it'll take around, 4 hours to charge the F2. All right, there you go. Don't forget your helmet, please. I mean, safety first. I mean, upon riding any kind of bike, skateboard, anything, especially when you're out in the streets, don't forget to wear your helmet. So safety first, just to be safe out there. That's it. This is totally fun. I mean, no, jokes aside, this is something else. This is something different. Nakto didn't tell me to say anything on this video. This has 5 passes. So 5 passes, there's 1 economy, there's 2 economy 2. There's 3 as in normal. There's 4 normal, that is, just a bit above the normal side, and 5 in sport. I did start out at 1, of course, and just to test it out and all that stuff. And it was kind of, it was slow. I mean, it gives you a challenge on picking up the electric motor. But once you hit 3 on normal, you could tell that it is an electric bike. And that's pretty cool. Down the line, when I hit 5, when I just changed the settings to 5, this thing was zooming. This thing was fast. It was surprisingly fast, and it was pretty awesome. And you can really feel that is actually a step higher than an actual electric bike, which is pretty cool. I mean, while I was trying to adjust the settings and everything, the screen, the LCD display on the front of the handlebars, they're bright enough, even in direct sunlight. I don't know how many nits there is on the screen, but it was bright enough for me to see. The brakes are pretty strong. I mean, they both have dual brakes, so the, I think 18mm size brake disc or something like that. Correct me if I'm wrong, future LJ. Ah, there you go. Dual rear suspensions right here in the back. They are pretty good, but what I think is that they're not mostly for off-roading, they're mostly for comfort. Comfort is the way to go when you're just, cruising down the street or just going down wherever. But off-road, you can really feel the bumps, but it's still comfortable enough. But it's not like one of those high-end deals of like those motorbikes with those very strong suspensions, but it's not kind of like that. But it's something, and it's pretty cool. This bike is kind of like the mock-up of this Super 73, which is pretty cool. All these e-bikes, they have their own different kind of personalities, and it has a touch of the Nakto brand. Even though it's kind of like Super 73, it still feels like it has their own personality rather than a Super 73. This is pretty much like a good startup. If you're really thinking about getting an electric bike, this would be the fun way to do it. The fun way to do it, it's easy fun. That's what I'm just saying. It's easy fun. if you are in the market of looking for an electric e-bike, there's a link down in the description below. You can use my coupon code LJ60, that is LJ60, LJ60, to get $60 off your first e-bike. Any e-bike on the site, you got it. I got you. The advantages of having like an electric bike, I mean, it gets you outdoors. It gets you wherever you need to be without having to spend for gas. That's the number one thing, especially when places that you need to go is just, you know, a couple blocks away, just a mile away even, 2 miles even. This can definitely handle it. But of course, take extra precautions. Just think ahead of what you need to do, like if you need to get like locks or anything like that. Helmet, of course, and extra reflective gear on you. This is not a review of some sort because, you know, I've just gotten this for a couple days ago, and maybe in the next video I'll just put out like a post for like being adventurous and all that, maybe in the beach. Time to soak in a little bit of sun and time to head home. Let's go. Let's go.